Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of UNO. You will go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of UNO and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.